Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, commonly called VA, are assistants for entrepreneurs working from a remote location. They are usually assigned day-to-day administrative tasks, which small business owners and entrepreneurs don't have time to do. FlexJobs has analyzed over 100,000 job listings across 50 different categories and subcategories and ranked virtual assistant as one of the 5 fastest growing remote career opportunities. What do virtual assistants do? The tasks performed by virtual assistants aren't limited to specific. It depends upon the client, your skill set, and their requirements. Some of the common virtual assistant jobs include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, managing email accounts, offering graphic design services, writing and publishing blog posts, replying to blog post comments, bookkeeping, managing social media profiles. How can I become a virtual assistant? To become a virtual assistant, you don't need any formal education or qualification. But anyone hiring a virtual assistant will expect a basic degree and specialized skills to perform the tasks. Hence, it is recommended to join a training course from someone who has been a successful virtual assistant earlier. How much can I earn as a virtual assistant? According to PayScale, the average hourly pay for a virtual assistant is $15.93. The pay increases as you skill up and have a portfolio of clients. Taylor Sloan, a full-time blogger and a virtual assistant, made over $10,000 per month through VA jobs alone. Where can I find virtual assistant jobs? Virtual assistant jobs can be found across job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, Shine, Time Jobs, freelancer portals like Upwork, Freelancer. Some relevant Udemy courses for you to become a virtual assistant includes Become a Virtual Assistant by Megan Walker. Work from Home as a Virtual Assistant by Tina Marie Hilton. Must-have tools for virtual assistants by Aaron Booth. If you want to know more about work from home jobs, subscribe to our YouTube video. See you in the next video.